Welcome to Marvelous Designer Tutorial Series. Diamond Upholstered Headboard. For those using 9.5 and up, we have grouped more tools for a cleaner user interface. Please, long press the left mouse button on the tool to view a list of all the tools in the tool group. In this course, we will create a diamond upholstered headboard. First, import the plain headboard. File can be downloaded from the link in the text. Create an oblique line with the internal polygon line tool. After selecting a segment with the Edit Pattern tool, copy-paste it using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Press the Shift key to move left and right in the right direction and right-click to bring up the paste pop-up. Enter interval value and number of shapes according to the size of the diamond shape to be created. Enter the same value for interval. When making a line segment in the opposite direction, right-click on the created segments and select Extend, Trim, and Add Point to Pattern Outline menu. This will match the internal shape to the outline of the pattern. Right-click on the background of the 2D window and select the Lock All Pattern Outlines menu. After selecting all internal shapes with the Transform Pattern tool, copy, mirror, paste. Position the internal shapes according to the diamond position. Select the Extend, Trim, and Add Point to Pattern Outline menu to match the internal shape to the outline of the pattern. Right-click on the 2D window and select the Unlock All Pattern Outlines menu. Let's make a diamond padding. After selecting the front pattern, select the Layer Clone over Menu from the right-click pop-up. Select the Removed Linked Editing menu. Increase the size of the pattern. The difference in size can give a padding effect. Enter the pressure value as 30. Freeze the inner and back patterns. The inside is fixed, so that only the diamond padding pattern on the outside is swollen. Simulate. Diamond-shaped padding was created. However, there was wrinkles inside the diamond, and it did not stretch. Increase the pressure value to 60. When simulated, the diamond padding is stretched tightly. Increase the pressure value to 70 to make it more taut. Lower the particle distance to 5 to express more dense sewing wrinkles. If you give elastic at 90%, you can make more wrinkles on the sewing line. If you lower the pressure to 50, the amount of padding decreases and wrinkles increase. Let's compare the change in the shape of the padding and wrinkles according to the fabric. After selecting the fabric, click the preset value in the Property Editor. Select various fabrics and examine the difference in wrinkles. The shape of the wrinkles changes depending on the fabric. Also, the tightness of padding varies depending on the fabric. Therefore, the pressure value varies depending on the fabric. and the particle distance also affects the shape of the wrinkles. Now it is 5, but it seems that it is not enough to express a small wrinkle. Reduce particle distance to 3. Simulate. Small, realistic wrinkles are expressed. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button below and subscribe for more. If you have any questions about getting started in Marvelous Designer or this lesson, please leave a comment below, and we will do our best to answer your question. If you want more information on and where to get Marvelous Designer, check out our website, forum, and official Discord channel in the link below.